jam it into first?
Let's see.
Right now?
Yeah.
Morning, boys. Today we're doing something that I don't really want to do. We're going up to Tommy's shop today. I'm going to buy his Phantom Gray EG Hatch. This wasn't my idea because you guys know I don't really like that color. But his car has 38,000 original miles. And in today's market, it's super hard to get a car like that with that type of miles. But again, it wasn't my idea. My brother wanted this car. He has an idea. Well, he has an idea in his head, a build in his head that he wants to do. So I'm gonna go pick the car up for him and just let him rock with the car and see what he's gonna do with it. But in good news, we're gonna save the car from Tommy, because you guys know what Tommy does to his shit. He might do something stupid with it. He might road race it. He might do, I don't know. You know, so my plan is to get all the Hondas out of Tommy's shop. So I'll be there in about an hour, show you guys the car. Has 38,000 original miles. The car's super clean. In my opinion, the car should stay like that, but if we're gonna build it, we're gonna build it. So see you guys soon. All right, boys, just got to Tommy's shop. I do not know why I even come here anymore, to be honest with you. I'm gonna be real. I come here, I waste money.
Clean Hondas.
No. I come here, I don't get no good deals. I don't even know why I'm friends with Tommy anymore. This is just a business agreement, right? Or it's just business deals only.
No good deals, this motherfucker said. Tell me, this is a good deal.
It sounds like shit with 39,000 miles. You know what my brother told me before I got here real quick?
What?
He said that I had to save all the Hondas from the shop. Every single one.
Well, we got one more.
We got one more. He started with, what'd you have, 4?
5.
5. He started with 5, bought the Type R. You sold, now I have one of the other cars.
No, I started with 6.
6? How many did I buy?
Yellow Type R, white Type R, CTR,
Yeah.
gray hatch.
I bought something else recently, I forgot.
This one,
Anyway,
I have 6.
Anyways,
because I have one more.
I've never, I've got every time I came here.
If that's the case, I got every time I came to your shop. Oh yeah. Is this the fastest car you ever driven?
No, it's the shittiest car I've ever driven. I don't even know why I'm here, to be honest. This shit is slow. Lucky I don't drive this shit in reverse. This shit, we're not even going anywhere.
No tag. Let's hit limiter. Keep going.
It's gonna take forever. We're gonna pass your shop before we hit the limiter.
Keep going. You didn't even hit it.
It did. It was on limiter. I tried the shit back.
You're gonna blow it the fuck up.
This shit ain't going anywhere. This shit's a turd. I don't even know why you like this.
I don't like it. That's why I sold it.
You know why I know why you like this? You're old school, right?
In my old tape deck.
Check what my boy got in the
What do we got? What do we got?
You got some good shit in there, right?
Mannheim Steamroller and the 4 Seasons.
The best thing about...
Hold on.
Oh, you're gonna put it in? You think that shit works?
Hell yeah, it works.
All the tape is gonna come out of that shit.
Who cares?
No fucking way. There's no way. Wow.
What did I...
No, it was the volume, but it was in the back. Yeah.
Who's listening to this shit?
Maybe you, because it's in your car. Well, not my car, but...
I've never driven this thing in my life.
The best thing about this car is the fucking interior.
Best thing about this car is the music. The playlist, though. That playlist. I thought you were going to throw them out the window. Littering. Look at that radio, though. That thing's gangster as hell.
I'm taking that shit out.
Yeah, you should.
Radio block off, 300 horsepower. This car's gonna be fucked. We should probably put water in the engine on the dyno, right?
You think you can money shift it into first before you pull in the parking lot and not blow it up?
I don't know. Well, I don't think it should blow a single cam.
You don't think it can blow up?
I can blow it up, don't get me wrong. I can blow this shit the fuck up. But it won't go in first. I don't think it would.
Oh no?
Nah.
You gotta jam it. You never tried hard enough.
It's gonna fuck the trans up.
I don't know. I think it'll fuck the engine. I think the trans will be fine.
You wanna jam it into first?
Let's see.
Right now?
Yeah. That worked.
I'm surprised this shit doesn't do no burnouts though. Maybe
you got a rev higher.
Yeah, only rev. That's all I got.
Gutless.
That's all I got. I'll show them the mileage real quick.
Here you go.
39,000 original miles. Well, today we came to Tommy's shop. We bought his 39,000 mile Civic Hatch. It's okay. You guys know me. I fucking hate Phantom Gray. Worst color in the Civic Hatchback.
Insane.
Worst fucking color ever. Only reason why I'm here is because my brother sent me here to come pick it up. That's the only reason why.
It's not the worst color.
You said in the last video.
Tahitian green or Paradise Green's the worst color.
And blue, Harvard blue.
Harvard blue is
shitty. And then this.
Captiva blue is good.
Thank you. I have 4.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Got 4.
Harvard blue is trash.
So we're gonna save this car for me before you do something like outrageously stupid with it, like take a CTR to the track. Like, who the fuck does that?
I should have taken this to the track.
This shouldn't have did shit. This shit barely wants to do a burnout. So 39,000 miles.
Yeah, like just turned over. So you're gonna put.
This interior is mint.
You're gonna click over.
Well, let's show them the bay because they seen the bay last time, right?
It's like a little dirty because we dry ice blasted it and all the dirt like goes up into the bay, but this is a little dirty.
It's
like
still,
you feel this? Look at all the dirt on it.
It's still clean though. All thing is zinc. What I really liked was this right here. That was like, you guys see those bolts and the brake lines? And, and the torque mount is gold. But
so good.
Whoever wants an engine, hit me up because we're ripping it out. No, I'm not even gonna rip it out. I'm probably gonna blow it up if it blows up.
You'll never blow it up.
I'll blow it up.
You have a lot of nitrous.
This is original Cali car?
Original Cali car, NorCal. The day it was purchased, somebody brought some fucking bullshit Jiffy Lube and sprayed rubberized undercoating on the entire underside of the car. I dry ice blasted 90% of it off. Just stick the camera down there.
I can't. What I'll do is when I get to my shop, I'll get on the lift and I'll show you guys what the underneath looks like.
Your brother.
I'll do a quick walk around real fast about how clean this car is. This car is super fresh.
Me nuts.
That always happens, but the headlights are not yellow. There's no rust. Your favorite part is the mirror delete.
Yeah.
This car is super clean. What do you think? We should put a K swap or B swap in here? B series. Do you hear him?
Type R. I got one for sale.
Nah.
Get at me.
Nah. This car needs a K swap. We're gonna case if it's turbo B series, but no, not all.
Turbo K.
No. The problem with Turbo K is Turbo K makes too much torque. It spins way too much. Turbo B series at like 350 would be great. Or
I meant turbo Type R.
No, it's high compression.
It's not that bad. Running on pump or on race gas.
No, I'm not gonna do all that. I think it's 300 horsepower, 280 horsepower, like 2420 head. That shit'll be super fun. And what I'll do is, right?
Still Honda. Wow. Grocery getter. It'd be cool to go down to the grocery store, pick up some Ben & Jerry's. That's what it's good for. 200 horsepower, just enough to make it to there without being bored to death.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is, after I build the car, I'm gonna bring it back here, give you a ride in it. And then
you gonna race me?
I'll race you. What car?
My hatchback.
All right. But I'm gonna take it to the shop. Be back at the shop in about an hour. I'll show you guys underneath for the car. All right, boys. Driving this car back to the shop. This shit is slow, like really, really slow. It's like a dog. But I can say what, it runs really good and the interior is like really clean. But this car, I don't know, whoever drives single cams, this is not it. Like, this car, I think needs a cat. I don't know, to be honest. But before we get to the shop, I need you guys to drop in the comments what you guys think we should do with the single cam that's in here. I'll pick the best, like the most common answer, and I guess we'll do it. Besides selling it, I don't want to sell it because this motor is like, I get it's a 39,000 mile motor, but someone can use it, but it's super slow. I don't think anybody wants it. But drop in the comments what you guys think we should do with the engine, and we'll do that. If you guys want me to put water in it, you guys want me to put coolant in it, you guys want to put on a dyno, whatever you guys want, I'll do to the single cam before we rip it apart. All right, boys, back in the shop. I got the car on the lift. I got my brother with me. We're gonna do a quick walk around the car, just show you guys the condition. We're gonna get underneath it, put on the lift, and then that's pretty much it. I'll kind of explain what we're gonna do with it, but remember, this wasn't my buy. I hate Phantom Gray cars. I don't even know why you decided you wanted it.
You told him I'm gonna do in this car?
I kinda, yes and no, but you can kinda tell him. You don't want to tell him?
No,
we'll save it for a different video, but he wants to do something pretty quick with this. You know, it's definitely going to be a K-swap. We just don't know what direction we're going to do, because everything here is K-swap. So
it's going to be definitely something different, something they didn't see. I'm pretty sure they're going to love the car.
All right, so this is your first time seeing the car, right? You didn't see it. We seen it at Tommy, but we didn't really see it. I seen it. You didn't. You only seen it probably in videos. So we're going to pop the engine bay. A lot of the viewers probably already seen it. So the car is super clean. 39,000 original miles.
It's clean. The part that's
The car is
unbelievable is 30,000 miles.
It is. And what'd you do earlier? I'm gonna show you guys what he did. I'll show you guys a complete car.
Come here. I already Carfaxed it.
What's the Carfax say? Oh, why you check the Carfax?
So what's the last 6? 514371, right? So I got it right here. So people know it's not bullshit.
What's the Carfax say?
The last date is 38,000 miles with 21 service records.
That's crazy. So I'm gonna show you.
Odometer check, look, it's green. There's no rollbacks.
And the odometer is right. It says 39. Oh, it's about to roll almost, 39,338.
You can tell this car has that many miles because
Look at the interior.
all the fucking interior.
This thing is fresh.
I wish you could show them how clear that fucking gauge looks.
Oh, the cluster, the bezel is super, super fresh. And then the radio is really, really clean. Especially the carpet, right? Like, usually EGs are like pretty dirty up until here. My favorite car about this is the interior is super clean. I hate leather.
It smells like a fucking old man here.
But look at the door panels. Door panels are fresh. Both door panels are. I'll show you guys the trunk. There's no rust. It still has the rubber on the quarter panel. It even has a brand new mirror in the box, a passenger mirror. But check this out. This thing is
fucking
it's fresh. Like, look at these seats.
I know a lot of people don't have this shit right here.
That thing is clean. It's still zinc. All right.
These are really good detail.
Last thing we gotta do.
I'm happy you saved fucking Tommy because what did he have outside, right?
Yeah, we saved the car from Tommy. That's what we did. Our plan was to get, or is to get every single Honda out of his shop. We got one more left. I hope he sells it to us, but Tommy, maybe I'll give him a month or 2 months before he gets sick of it. He doesn't really like Hondas. He does, but he doesn't. So we're gonna put the car up on the lift and I'll show you guys underneath the car what it looks like. All right, boys, got the car in the air. What do you think? It's pretty clean, right? Look at the trailing arms. I don't know if you guys can see that.
I never seen trailer arms that clean.
This shit is fresh.
Yo,
Look, clean all the bolts.
Come here, look. See for the drum, that shit's still zinc.
Yo, them shits usually be rusted as hell. Oh, the gas tank stuff is still zinc. Control arm bolts. This thing is really, really clean. I got 39. The fucking heat shield. These things right here are usually rotted or rusted as hell. Even the bolts on them are super, super fresh. Undercoat's still clean. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but all the engine bolts are still fresh, like all the shift linkage stuff, the transmission, everything. Like there's no leaks on the oil pan. So, yo, what are you gonna do with the car? Just tell him. You might as well just tell him. I might tell him.
You know what the drag say? What does it say? She's gonna have some titties when we're done.
Yeah. All right, boys, so drop in the comments below. I need you guys to let us know what we should do with the single cam. So I told them the most comment I see what we should do with the single cam is what we're gonna do with it. If you guys want us to put water in it, if you guys want us to put coolant in it, if you want us to drain all the oil and put coolant, like everything, whatever you guys want us to do with this single cam, I promise you I will do it. So I need you guys to drop in the comments what you think. If you guys want me to fucking take it out and throw it off a cliff, that's fine. If you guys want me to put fucking mice in it, whatever you guys want, I will do it to this single cam, I promise you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll check in with you guys on the next build.